Hello, and welcome back to another exciting video on Europe in Detail. Today, we're exploring Brussels, a city where history, culture, and modernity intertwine seamlessly. Get ready to discover 50 fascinating and unique facts that will make you fall in love with this incredible city. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Brussels is often dubbed the capital of Europe because it hosts the headquarters of major international organizations, including the European Union and NATO. Number 2. The Grand Place, Brussels Central Square, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its opulent architecture and vibrant history. Number 3. Every 2 years, in August, the Grand Place is transformed into a massive flower carpet composed of nearly 1 million colorful begonias arranged in intricate patterns. Number 4. Manneken Pis, a 55.5-centimeter bronze statue of a little boy urinating, is one of Brussels' most iconic symbols. The statue has an extensive wardrobe of over 1,000 costumes, which are regularly changed to celebrate various occasions and events. Number 5. Brussels is the birthplace of the world-famous Belgian waffles, known for their deep pockets and crispy texture. Enjoy them with powdered sugar, whipped cream, or fresh fruit. Number 6. The atomium is a unique building designed to resemble an iron crystal magnified 165 billion times. Built for the 1958 Brussels World's Fair, it now serves as a museum and offers panoramic city views. Number 7. Brussels boasts a rich tradition of comic strips and is home to the Belgian Comic Strip Center, celebrating characters like Tintin and the Smurfs. Number 8. The city has a dedicated comic strip route, featuring over 50 colorful murals adorning building walls, paying homage to Belgium's comic book heritage. Number 9. Brussels is renowned for its chocolate, housing numerous chocolatiers crafting exquisite pralines and truffles. The city even has a chocolate museum showcasing the art of chocolate making. Number 10. The Royal Palace of Brussels, the official palace of the Belgian monarchy, opens its doors to the public every summer, allowing visitors to admire its grandiose rooms and art collections. Number 11. A parking space in Brussels once sold for 110,000 euros or $120,000, making it one of the priciest spots in Europe, almost as expensive as a small apartment. Number 12. The Royal Greenhouses of Laeken, open to the public only a few weeks each year, showcase a stunning collection of exotic plants and flowers in an architectural marvel. Number 13. The Palace of Justice in Brussels is one of the largest courthouses in the world. It's even bigger than St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. And fun fact, its never-ending renovations have become an inside joke among locals. Number 14. Brussels sprouts, the nutritious vegetable, are named after the city, where they have been cultivated since the 16th century. Number 15. Brussels Parc du Cinquantenaire features a triumphal arch and museums, offering a serene escape and a glimpse into Belgium's history and art. Number 16. The city offers a unique experience at Bath and Barley, where visitors can relax in a beer spa, soaking in a mixture of hops and beer while enjoying a pint. Number 17. One of Brussels' quirkiest traditions is the annual Ommegang Festival, where the streets fill with medieval reenactments, horses, and grand costumes, reviving the city's royal history. Number 18. The city celebrates its culinary heritage with events like the Belgian Beer Weekend, where brewers showcase their finest beers at the Grand Place. Number 19. The city is a hub for Art Nouveau architecture, with buildings designed by famed architect Victor Horta, whose works are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Number 20. Hidden beneath the city is the Seine River, which once flowed through Brussels but was covered in the 19th century due to sanitation issues. Some underground portions can still be visited. Number 21. The Galerie Royale Saint-Hubert were among the first shopping arcades in Europe, inspiring similar covered galleries in Paris and Milan. Today, they house luxury boutiques, cafes, and even a cinema. Number 22. Brussels' iconic Delirium Cafe holds the Guinness World Record for offering the most beers available, over 2,000 different kinds from around the globe. Number 23. The city has an underground palace. Beneath Place Royale, you can explore the remains of the former Palace of Coudenberg, a once glorious royal residence that burned down in the 18th century. Number 24. Brussels is a paradise for French fry lovers. Despite their name, French fries actually originate from Belgium. Brussels has countless friteries where you can enjoy thick-cut crispy fries with an array of sauces, including the classic Andalouse. Number 25. The National Basilica of the Sacred Heart in Brussels is one of the largest churches in the world and twice the size of Notre Dame in Paris. Number 26. Brussels' annual May Boom celebration, dating back to 1308, involves painting a May tree amidst music and festivities, symbolizing joy and friendship. Number 27. Ever wondered why Brussels streets are so clean? The city has a special trash collecting vacuum system called the pneumatic waste system, which sucks up garbage through underground tubes. Number 28. The city has a museum dedicated to beer brewing, the Belgian Brewers Museum, located right in the Grand Place, where visitors can learn about Belgium's rich beer history and sample traditional brews. Number 29. The European Parliament's Visitor Center, known as the Parliamentarium, is an interactive museum where visitors can experience what it's like to be a European politician through simulations and exhibits. Number 30. Did you know that the word spa has Belgian origins? It comes from the town of Spa, near Brussels, which has been famous for its healing mineral waters since Roman times. Number 31. The Mont des Arts area offers one of the most stunning panoramic views of Brussels. It was originally designed as a temporary garden for the 1910 Universal Exhibition, but became a permanent landmark due to its breathtaking scenery. Number 32. The beloved blue smurfs, les Schtroumpfs, were created by Belgian cartoonist Peyo in 1958. There's even a Smurf experience in the city for fans. Number 33. In 2018, Brussels hosted the world's biggest sand sculpture festival, featuring over 240 sculptures made entirely of sand from Belgian beaches. Number 34. The famous Bourse building, Brussels' former stock exchange, is currently being transformed into a beer museum that will celebrate Belgium's brewing heritage. Number 35. Ever noticed the green parrots flying around Brussels? These bright birds are actually an invasive species, rumored to have been released from a zoo in the 1970s. Now they thrive in the city's parks. Number 36. Mini Europe is an open-air park where you can see small-scale models of famous European landmarks, including the Eiffel Tower and Big Ben. Number 37. Hidden in the heart of Brussels, the Black Tower is a medieval remnant that dates back to the 13th century. Surrounded by modern buildings, this mysterious little tower looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. Number 38. Every year on December 6th, St. Nicholas Day is celebrated in Brussels, where children wake up to find sweets and gifts in their shoes, a tradition older than Santa Claus. Number 39. The city's botanical garden was once home to the country's main collection of exotic plants, but after relocation, it became a beautiful park filled with sculptures and a peaceful escape from the urban bustle. Number 40. Many streetlights in Brussels automatically adjust brightness based on pedestrian movement, helping save energy while keeping the streets safe. Number 41. King Leopold II was fascinated with Asian architecture, so he built the Japanese Tower in Laeken, which looks like it was transported straight from Kyoto. Number 42. In the Sablon district, you'll find some of Brussels' finest chocolatiers, including Pierre Marcolini and Neuhaus, the latter of which invented the praline chocolate. Number 43. Before it became Brussels' most beautiful square, the Grand Place was actually a fish market, and it still has seafood-themed sculptures if you look closely. Number 44. To control pigeon overpopulation, the local government introduced a tax for people feeding pigeons, but it failed because everyone ignored it. Number 45. Hidden on top of the Royal Library of Belgium, there's a rooftop terrace offering an amazing view of the city. It's one of Brussels' best-kept secrets for a peaceful escape. Number 46. Brussels hosts an event called Dinner in the Sky, where diners enjoy gourmet meals while suspended by a crane 50 meters in the air with breathtaking city views. Number 47. The city has an annual cat parade known as the Jeanneke Parade, where locals dress up in extravagant, creative costumes and celebrate Brussels' multicultural spirit. It's a vibrant and quirky spectacle that embodies the city's artistic soul. Number 48. You'll find streets like Rue de Beurre, Butter Street, and Rue du Marché au Fromage, Cheese Market Street, showing the city's love for gastronomy. Number 49. Brussels has fountains that play music when you walk by, blending technology with nature in a magical way. Number 50. And last but certainly not least, the clock on Mont des Arts doesn't just tell time, it plays music with 24 bronze figurines representing Brussels history. And that's a wrap. 50 incredible and inspiring facts about the magical city of Brussels. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a like. And please, share your views and opinions with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest adventures on Europe in Detail. Thank you so much for watching our video today, and until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.